Hello viewers, here is a set of AT&T 5.8 GHz cordless telephones. This is model TL76108 and the handset is model TL76008. I got this entire set, which has 9 cordless handsets, for I want to say it was $17. Incredible deal. And it only takes 8 handsets, so I'm not really sure why there was 9. I imagine one was just a spare, perhaps. This cradle doesn't look like it was ever used. The handset still has the film on the screen, but it certainly looks like it took some abuse over the years, so I'm not really sure what the story behind that is. One box for the expansion handset was included, and one manual for the expansion handset was included, and the remote access functionality code, sheet was included. It came with a lot of batteries. Only 2 of them were new, and only 5 of them I could get to hold enough charge to at least power on. So I have 7 of them going right now, which is as many as I can get with the battery situation. I'm not going to test them all on video because this is going to take forever and I have to keep changing the batteries out. So I'll ring them all up on the video, but we're just going to show the base and one handset, and I'll check them all later on. The seller does not know what belt clips are, apparently, because I asked if there was any included. They said no, and there was in fact 2 included. So anyways, yeah, let's get started here. So this is a 2-line system, and I have to look through the manual because there's a data port on the top of this telephone, and it's only a 2-pin connection, so I'm not sure exactly how that works or what its purpose is. Typically that's like a pass-through if you wanted to have a fax machine, or back in the day caller ID box or answering machine, something like that. But I don't know how it would. Maybe it just passes the active line signal. I don't know. Anyway, so that's that. It does appear to work as far as I can tell, but let's go ahead and ring it up. I've got the line connected to line 1 right now. And I do have all 6 handsets? 7 handsets. There's only 6 different ringers, but I set each one to a different ringer, so we'll see what it sounds like. Now this is fairly indistinguishable.
Hello, please leave a message after the tone.
Oh, I wasn't going to record a message, but I guess I'll record a message. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This answering machine seems to release the line very quickly. There's no dead space at the end of the messages. I have to get a longer phone cord here. That's not really going to help too much. So, let me call one more time because I want to show something kind of interesting that I discovered. Okay. So if we go back to the call log here, you're going to notice the first call is just a regular caller ID, or the second call rather, and the first call left a message. I think that's pretty cool. I can't think of many other models that have that kind of an indication. So let's go ahead and play this back.
Sunday, 12:35 a.m. I guess we'll record a message. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sunday, 4:20 p.m. Testing, 1, 2, 3.
This answering machine is kind of odd in the sense that the voice in a lot of scenarios is replaced just by text on the screen. So if I do that, we don't get a voice, so we just get the wording on the screen. And the same thing with this too. If I
Sunday,
go through here and we skip it, we get end of messages on there. Now they're screaming everything for some reason. I don't know, why they have to yell it. And if we, how do we get out of here? I don't know if you could see it on the video before, but when I was recording a message, it said screening on there. So, let's take a look at the, actually we could do the speakerphone in here first. Hello? This is full volume, testing 1, 2, 3, it's relatively loud. And this is low volume, which is still relatively loud. Alright, this is getting out of control here. I want to mute this. Okay, there we go. Alright, how are we going to check the doggone speakerphone if all it does is feedback? Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that does work. Testing 1, 2, 3. Check. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we'll do handset number 1. That doesn't have a good battery in it. Oops. These batteries really don't hold much of any charge. I want to find the one that has the new battery in it. Okay, so the last two have the new battery in it. There we go. Testing 1, 2, 3. Check. Hello. 1, 2, 3. The volume's very loud on there. Check. This is low. Check. The volume is now at full. Check. Testing. Hands free. This is all the way up. And we'll go all the way down. This is the quietest setting. Test. Testing. Okay. Now I'll switch this over to line 2 and let's see if that works equally as well. Hello. Okay, that seems to work. So now, let's see here, what else was I going to do? Wait, let's make an outside call.
Variety of checking account options. People's United Bank N.A. Member FDIC. Today is Sunday, May 12th. People's United Bank time 5:01. Current temperature 42 degrees. Areas of rain today, highs around 50, east winds gusting to 30. Some light rain and drizzle likely, mainly this evening, low tonight 42. Rain on Monday, highs upper 40s.
It's a satisfactory speakerphone. Let's try on a handset, one that's not going to give out on charge. This has a weird automatic gain control issue to it, I think. Big speaker though.
Looking for the closest bank? It's in the palm of your hand when you download our mobile banking app. People's United Bank N.A., member FDIC. Today is Sunday, May 12th. People's United Bank, time 5:02. Rain today, highs around 50. Rain and drizzle likely, mainly this evening, low tonight 42. Rain on Monday, highs upper 40s.
Speakerphone is pretty good. The earpiece quality is rather tinny though. Alright, well these seem to work. So we'll go ahead and get these cleaned up and we'll do a few more videos on these telephones in the future.